If you want to set a custom message tone on Google Pixel 10a, then there are two things that we can go through. So the first option is to go to settings and choose sound and vibration. And now in here, if you scroll down a little bit, you can find the notification option, and you can set a custom notification sound in order to change the sound for incoming messages. And because they are simply included new messages, or the sound for new messages is included in notification sounds. But besides that, what we can also do is, of course, we're gonna use the My Sounds option, and then in here we can press this plus button in the bottom left corner. Then in here we can choose the custom sound that you wish to use. So you can select it from here if you can find it. If not, use these three lines in the upper left corner and switch to audio or your phone or something. And then you need to locate your custom sound that you wish to set. And then of course, after selecting it, it's going to be added. Besides that, what we can also do is we can change the incoming message sound specifically. So if you don't want to change notification sounds, you just want to change the sound for new messages, you want to go to apps, then over here open the list of all apps, and then in here we need to scroll down in order to find the messages app. In here we're gonna open notifications, then you might want to tap on the show unused categories. Essentially you are looking for default settings, because in here if you unfold them you can find incoming messages. So you want to tap on this, then choose sound, and then the rest is pretty much the same. We can go to My Sounds and you can add your sound if you didn't add it yet, or you can just select it in here and tap on save in the upper right corner. Leave a like and subscribe.